Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I get really big, full, voluptuous lips without lip fillers. It's really easy. I think I only use like 3 products in this entire video. And yeah, it's super simple. And yes, if you guys didn't notice, I dyed my hair. I got like an ashy beige color in my hair. And let me know what you guys think of it down below. I don't know yet. Like, I like it, but it's very different than what I am used to. So your girl doesn't know yet, but let me know what you guys think of it in the comments below. And if you're new to my channel, give this video a thumbs up for me and let's get started. The first products that I'm going to be talking in today's video are the Laneige lip balms. I haven't been able to find an alternative for these yet, but most of the other products I have multiple options for you guys. These are just by far the best lip balms I have ever used in my entire life. I have some on right now, but for the purpose of the video, I'm going to show you me applying it, and the pink one from Laneige is the best out of all the other options they have. The pink one is just honestly the best. So you apply this all over your lips. Next step, these next 2 options, you don't need both. You can use either or. The first option is Nivea Cherry Lip Balm, and BTS actually used the Nivea lip balm, so in case you guys are wondering their lip tints. And you can use any lip tints, honestly, any red lip tints or any lip tint color that you want to be wearing that day. I'm gonna pass on the lip tint for today or the lip balm for today, because I'm going to be using a lip tint. I want to use a lip tint because I don't like to constantly be reapplying lip products on my lips in class. It's just nice when the gloss or the moisturizer wears off, I still have like some sort of nice tint to my lips and my lips aren't just super dead, you know? So I like this one. This has been one of my favorite tints for a very long time. It's the Etude House Lip Tint in RD302. It's a really, really pretty red color. I know it looks super intense, but it's literally what I'm wearing on my lips right now, and you just have to sheer it out. So I'm going to be reapplying some more of this on just to show you guys, because I've already done this whole method in the morning when I was going to class, but I'm going to redo it so I can show you guys. So I use a really tiny amount of this lip tint, so I constantly, like, always just scrape off the excess product. And of course you can just apply it straight on if you want, but this is a really, really, really intense red color if you apply it too much, and I just like a really natural look, so I tend to just take some of my finger and then apply it onto my lips. And I will apply this onto my whole entire lip, not just, you know, like the middle part. I will literally apply it all over my lips with my fingers. And obviously it's gonna look more intense than usual just because I already have red lip tint on from the morning. I'm going to just clean up any areas where it just went too far. So I'm just cleaning it with a beauty blender. The next step is you're going to want to take any highlighter. I use the Wet n Wild highlighter in Golden Flower Crown, and I'm going to take this on one of my fingers, clean fingers, take some highlighter. I don't know if you guys have ever done this, but it really, really makes a difference. I put it in the middle of my lips and a little bit on top of my Cupid's bow as well, and it just really makes your lips look so much fuller. Like so. I even put a little bit on top. I know I look crazy right now, but when you put the gloss over it, you cannot tell. And then a little bit on my Cupid's bow. And the reason why this tip works really well, especially on your lips, is because since you have highlighter on, you know how you have highlighter on your cheekbones, it makes your cheekbones look higher. Well, you have highlighter on your lips, it makes your lips look a lot fuller, and it works because if you apply other products on top, it kind of just blends out the highlighter without looking too intense. So the next step is you're gonna take any gloss that you want. I really like the Fenty gloss by Rihanna. This is in the shade Fussy, or another really good, not dupe, but making your lips just really full and it's really moisturizing. I love the Burt's Bees hydrating lip oils. I know on TikTok right now the Ulta lip oils are really popular. Honestly, any lip oils will do the trick. I really like the Burt's Bees ones because they're clear, so it works with any lip color that you want. But today I'm going to be using Rihanna's Fenty. Just her Fenty glosses in general just makes your lips look really, really full. The next step is you're going to want to take any color that you use to contour with. You don't want to take a bronzer, like the Physicians Formula bronzer. You probably don't want to take that. I recommend taking something that you actually contour with. I contour with the Kat Von D contour or bronzer. And I'm going to be taking a little bit of this on a brush. And you're going to put it right underneath your lips, your lower lips. So this is the final results. I love doing this. It's really easy. My lips feel super moisturized. And depending on the lip tint that you use, even when the gloss is gone and like the lip balm is gone, my lips still look really, really pretty. It's really red and rosy and it's not too intense, which I really, really like. I know on camera, the red looks really intense, but it looks really pretty in person. It's just kind of like a gradient lip look and I love it. And happy Valentine's Day, you guys. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up for me. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.